get myself together. Hey Furies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, KnoKnoFuri. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 primers, okay, that are perfect for oily combination skin. I'm talking about like a match made in heaven, okay? Heaven. If this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup, beauty, and all that junk. If this isn't your first time here, you already know the deal, sis. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's get into the video. Are we liking the hair? Okay, are we liking the hair? This is a wig that I chopped and screwed just because I was bored, and the bangs are giving me Rick James, but the rest is giving me, I don't know. So these primers I specifically love for oily combination skin just because they help with your foundation to stick to your face, but they also help your base be the best that it can be. So let's get into number 1, okay? And I have some affordable options as well as some high-end options as well. Okay, so this is the JCat Beauty H2O Fresh Dewy Primer. Okay, this here is a babe. Okay, I recently discovered this primer maybe about like 2 months ago. It's so hydrating, but it doesn't leave your skin sticky. You know what I mean? Like, you know how you put on lotion sometimes or a very dewy primer and it just leaves your skin very dewy, like a residue kind of. This one absorbs very quickly, but it's not a silicone texture. It's very, very nice on the skin. Like, it absorbs immediately, but it's very hydrating. The only con about this primer is that it does have a little bit of fragrance, okay? It's not overwhelming. It definitely does go away as you put on your makeup, but I just wanted to get that out there for my sensitive skin queens, you know what I'm saying? But this primer is a bop, super affordable. I will have all the products that I name in this video listed down below, as well as the prices and the links for you guys. Now, this specific primer is lightweight. It contains chamomile, green tea, and ginseng root to give your skin like a radiant look. And it's just a bop. I love it, you guys. This is definitely one of my favorite drugstore primers to date. Next is actually not a actual physical primer, it's a spray. Okay, we all know about the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, all right, but the mist, the setting mist, okay, if you don't know about this, you are missing out. Okay, the girls are talking, and this is literally legit. I personally like it to prime my face. I'll set my face with it from time to time, but priming with it, chef kiss. A lot of people are saying that this helps keep your makeup off your masks. I don't know about that, but I do know when I do use this, my skin looks really good. It gives it a nice prepped, hydrated feeling, and it allows my makeup to go on flawlessly, okay? This, I feel, would be a very, very good choice for those who are oily, combo, or dry, okay? It absorbs very quickly, doesn't leave any residue. Unlike the actual Hydro Grip Primer, it doesn't leave that sticky feeling, which I actually like, but this doesn't leave that, so I feel like this would be a perfect option for all skin types. It doesn't have any fragrance. Yep, to my knowledge, there's no fragrance to it, and so it'll be really good for like sensitive skin. If you're just getting into makeup, you don't know what to buy, this would be perfect. I'm telling you. And this is a trial size, so if you don't want to try the full size, get the trial size. Next, we have a little, a little coin will be spent on this one, but this is definitely one of my favorite primers, okay? This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Glow Primer. Are we gonna focus today, camera? Are we gonna focus today? This is it. It's damn near skinty because I've used it all, okay? But this is worth the coin. I believe it's around $30. No fragrance at all whatsoever. I feel like this is Milk Hydro Grip's cousin. It's not sticky at all. When you put it on, it does give you like a dewy feeling, but it's not as sticky. It's supposed to help prep, smooth, and hydrate, which it does exactly. I feel like this would be really good for all skin types, but specifically oily combination skin. I feel like this would be perfect. because it covers like all areas of the skin that's needed. If you are a little bit oily than most, I would recommend setting this with a powder. If you haven't seen that hack, I'll try and find a good video and link it down below. But this is a really, really good primer if you find that you have texture, if you have flaky patches on your face. This primer is really, really good. I like it a lot, and it's supposed to be like a long wear because you know it's like the all-nighter collection. But this is a really good primer. If you can splurge, get it. Okay? Have I ever steered you wrong? When we're in the boat and I'm driving the boat with my good sis Megan, have I ever steered you wrong? No. Get the primer. Next is another good drugstore option. Okay, I have the mini of this one, but this one's really good. I feel like this one is good if you find that you have more so combination skin. This is the NYX Marshmallow Primer. Now this primer will not be for everyone. It does have a really nice sweet scent to it. It's not overbearing, so it does contain fragrance, and the texture is more on the silicone-y side, but it's not, oh, sometimes you gotta shake it up. That's one thing I don't like about it, is that it separates, but once you get it out, it's kind of like a cream texture, but it blends out very nice on the skin. Like, I really like how this makes my skin feel. I would definitely recommend this for combination skin for sure. Like I said, oily skin, put a little powder on it, but I feel like this could go all over the face for combination skin. I love the smell of it. It smells so good, very affordable. Now this primer is supposed to do 10 things. It's supposed to smooth, soften, extend your makeup, hydrate, soothe, even your skin tone, minimize texture, blur lines, soft focus finish, and keep your makeup feeling fresh. That's a lot of claims, okay? I can't 100% be there for them all because I have not used it to that, I don't know, like I haven't used it that long, I guess. Like I haven't worn it that long to know about all that. But it is a very good primer and it feels very good on the skin. It is vegan. It's supposed to make your makeup last for 16 hours. NYX always has like these special claims on their products and I'm all for it. NYX is banging. Very good primer. You need to try this out. If you're worried about these products being vegan, cruelty free, I will also put that down below next to the primer as well because I know that is important to people. I will also list if it has fragrance or not. This is the last primer that I'm going to talk about to you guys. This one is actually packaged. I have one that is used, just so you guys don't think that I'm trying to, you know, be funny. But this is it. The, ooh, are you going to focus today, camera? Are you going to focus? Are you going to focus today? The Revlon Rose Glow Primer. This primer is that girl, okay? Let me tell you why. If you've ever used MAC Strobe Cream, this is the dupe for that, okay? This is the drugstore dupe. It does have a slight fragrance like the strobe cream, but it's not as strong. I can say that. It leaves a beautiful glossy, just a nice luminous glow on the skin. Look at that. It's so pretty. It says the first 80%, it says 80% of the ingredients are water, which is true. It has some pretty good ingredients in here for your skin. It's supposed to instantly illuminate. It's supposed to give you a refreshing feel. Leave luminous skin for under your makeup for extra glow. And it's a universal iridescent shade for all skin tones. I love this primer, okay? You get a lot more than the strobe cream for the price, and it's just so nice on the skin. Like if you want that nice dupe, I love using this under a tinted moisturizer for sure. Now the reason why I say this can go for oily combination skin is because it doesn't have that tacky dewy feeling. There's no oil. It feels very good on the skin. I feel like this will hydrate you all day. Oily skin needs moisturizer as well. I know that oily skin tends to go better with gel moisturizers, and I feel like this has that texture. So if you didn't moisturize for the day, I feel like this would have you covered, and this wouldn't make you specifically more oily throughout the day. This is really, really good if you want to glow without the oil. Okay? Okay. Alright, you guys, that's it for the 5 primers. that I had for you guys. If you want more videos like this, feel free to give me a big thumbs up. We're almost at 3K. Okay, I know last year we were talking about getting to 2K. Baby, we're almost at 3. Alright, 3K. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you for everything that you do. Follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, all that junk. Okay, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you guys, stay furious. Bye.